Tell me, how will you check if a number is positive, negative, or zero?
Alright, if the number is greater than 0, it's positive. Else, if the number is lesser than 0, it's a negative. Else, it's 0. The number can only be positive or negative or 0.
It's hard to digest, but you're right.
You just said that, Zoe. I just can't believe.
So you see, we have multiple conditions here with just one that holds true.
So, in cases like these, we use Elif program.
Now, look at the code.
Aye, aye, Captain.
This program checks if the number is positive. If yes, then Mr. Python displays the message from the next line.
If no, Mr. Python jumps to the next condition to see if the number is less than 0.
Correct.
But instead of if, we use else if.
Yup, doing so, Mr. Python stops comparing when the condition is true.
Perfect. Let's run this.
Check for 5. Oh, nice. Let me check for 0. Wow, it works fine over here.
Let's get back to the program for the animal board game.
I just have to replace if with Elif. And finally, I rocked!